Now, your local weather authority with Chief Meteorologist Jesse Walker.
Welcome back, everybody. We continue the review of my winter outlook. When looking at all of those analog years that were similar to what we thought we'd see in the winter, we saw a very low chance of any major ice events, and we didn't have any of that. We had a couple little minor cases here and there, but nothing that was big as far as an ice event here in this area. So no major ice event this winter. There we are, 7 out of 8 so far, 88%. We'll continue to track the winter outlook progress as we review during the month of March. We've been talking about this for days now. Not going to change your idea. Temps this week will be the warmest we've seen in over 130 days. Going back to October 31st was the last time we're going to have warmer temperatures, and we're going to have tomorrow and Thursday. So the warmest we've seen in a long time. That weather is headed our way. Temperatures today were pretty good. 29 this morning, pretty much where we should be. We were above normal for the daytime high today. Actually, we jumped up to 54 a little while ago, so 54 now our high for the day. 80, that is a record high. 4 below the record low. That's the last sub-zero record you'll see until we get into the fall season once again. No precipitation today. We hold at 1.4 so far for the month. Here's the sunrise sunset for tomorrow. We're getting closer to that 12 hours of daylight. River stage pretty high in Terre Haute, stationary now at 17.8 feet. Temperature in Terre Haute, 51. Relative humidity, though, is pretty low at 38%. So any rain that tries to move in tonight is going to have a tough time for a while. It's going to run into the drier air mass. 52 down in the Vincennes area, 50 over in the Robinson area, 50 in the Bloomington area. So temperatures are about where they should be, if not warmer than they should be. Look at this big storm winding up here in the southwest. We've had reports in Arizona and New Mexico of funnel clouds this evening. A little unusual, but they're getting some pretty strong storms down in those areas. And we're going to watch that storm come out of the plain states. And as it does so, a lot of wind advisories in the southern plains. But look at this, the shaded area from Denver to the panhandle of Nebraska up through the Dakotas into portions of Minnesota. That's a blizzard warning. And the last time a blizzard warning was issued for Denver, and Denver's under a blizzard warning now, it's been 3 years. So this has been an interesting winter, more of a traditional winter across the country. And once again, a blizzard warning for the first time in 3 years in the Denver area. A lot of wind. There's going to be 70-mile-per-hour winds with that storm where it snows. The winds on the south side will also be strong, and we're going to get some wind here as well. Rain showers with the initial surge of moisture coming in tonight. Clouds on the increase. Remember, our relative humidity is low, so a lot of this rain you see out here is going to kind of dry up. The Dorsa Automotive Doppler radar shows some showers, but it's not going to amount to a whole lot because the air is pretty dry here. Here's the bigger picture. A few showers will come in tonight, tomorrow morning. Nothing big out of that. We'll get a break, I think, for the rest of tomorrow. Then as we head into Wednesday night, Thursday, initial round of rain comes in. There's the big storm winding up. Then a break for a while Thursday, and then I think what we'll have to watch is right there as we get into Thursday afternoon, early to mid-afternoon, maybe a few stronger storms, and then behind it, the cooler weather will come in. What you're looking at here is basically the amount of energy in the atmosphere. And if you look, we kind of peak right here in the early afternoon hours on Thursday, right over this area, and then it will die off after that. The storm energy kind of goes away. So we're at a marginal risk of some severe weather on Thursday. That's something we'll watch. The greater risk is south, a slight risk, but I wouldn't be surprised if slight risk gets up into part of this area on Thursday. We'll watch Thursday, and behind it, cooler weather will move in. So the forecast tonight, they mostly cloudy, a few light showers, but look at the temperature, 42. Tomorrow, daytime high hits 64 degrees. A few showers are possible early. The winds will start to pick up. After that, temperature is good and warm again on Thursday. Some of you will hit 70. Behind that, cooler weather, but dry weather as we head for the weekend. That's your forecast. Now we'll head over to Grant.